In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to translate text in the Gemini app. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's dive right in. Translating text in the Gemini app is a convenient process, and I'll walk you through the steps so you can make the most out of this handy tool. First off, once you have the app downloaded on your mobile device, or if you prefer using a computer, open the application. You should be greeted with a clean and easy-to-use interface. If you're using the website, just type the URL in your browser and get started. Once the Gemini app is open, you'll notice a prompt box where you can enter the text for translation. This is where the magic begins. You can either type or paste your text into this box. After the text is in place, you need to draft a command. Simple and clear commands work best here. For instance, you can type, "Translate this to French," or simply, "Translate to Spanish," followed by the text you want to translate. This clarity makes it easier for the app to understand your request. After entering your prompt, look for the Send button within the app. This is usually prominent on the interface, making it easy to find. Tapping this will initiate the translation process. Depending on the complexity of your text, this should take no time at all. Once the app processes your request, the translated text will appear in an AI response block. Here's a little tip. Don't forget to copy the translated result. You can do this by selecting the translated text and using your device's copy command. This is particularly handy if you need to paste it somewhere else, like in an email or a document. Now, while the Gemini app does an impressive job at translations, there are a few tips that can help you achieve even better results. If your text has special contexts, make sure you specify that in your command. For example, you can ask for specific regional dialects like Mexican Spanish or British English. This kind of precision can enhance the translation, making it more relevant to the audience you're targeting. If you're looking to translate larger documents, no worries. The app has you covered. It even allows you to upload entire files for translation. Look for the attachment icon on the interface, click on it, and select the text file or document you'd like to translate. The app will do the heavy lifting to translate the contents, which can save you a lot of time compared to translating text piece by piece. Lastly, remember to explore any additional features the app might have. Some versions of the Gemini app offer context tools, feedback options, or even shortcuts to frequently used phrases. These can dramatically improve your experience and ease out the process of translating text. So there you have it. Translating text in the Gemini app is a straightforward process that can be accomplished with just a few steps. Open the app, type your text, give a clear command for translation, send it off, and don't forget to copy the results. Use dialect specifications and document uploads to make your translations more effective and tailored to your needs. I hope you found this guide helpful. Feel free to give the Gemini app a try and see how much easier your translation tasks can become. If you enjoyed the video or found it useful, consider liking and subscribing for more helpful content. Happy translating!